Hi friends, if you're not interested to change your teeth from this to this, then do not waste your time on this video. Dear friend, are you sick and tired of seeing discolored yellowish teeth staring back at you in the mirror each morning? Have you had enough of feeling embarrassed by your teeth? Do you worry that the sight of your discolored teeth may be affecting your personal or work relationships? Would you like a beautiful pearly white smile just like you used to have when you were young? Have you considered having a commercial teeth whitening procedure but have been put off by the high cost and potential dangers? And finally, do you just wish that there was a quick, easy and 100% safe way to achieve brighter, whiter teeth without having to pay thousands of dollars to do it? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then you are exactly in the right place. This surprisingly simple teeth whitening system will finally allow you to achieve the sparkling pearly white smile you have always wanted. Boost your confidence and self-esteem in a matter of days. Enjoy going out again. Get the right kind of attention from the opposite sex. Stop feeling embarrassed by your smile. Eliminate unsightly stains safely and naturally. Dramatically improve your personal and work relationships and say goodbye to discolored yellowish teeth forever. Does that sound like something you want? If so, then I can help. Hi, my name is Lucy Bennett and I'm a former dental nurse. I've worked alongside 6 different dental practitioners during my 17 years in the industry, and I've seen more than 2,500 teeth whitening procedures firsthand and up close, and believe me, it hasn't been pretty to watch. In fact, I'll never have my teeth whitened by a dentist, and I'll be telling you in just a moment. But before I do, it's crucial that you first understand exactly what kinds of food and drink lead to tooth discoloration in the first place, so you can at least stop your teeth from getting any worse. The 6 main causes of tooth discoloration are red wine. Red wine is notorious for staining health. The acids in wine eat away all tooth enamel, creating rough spots that make teeth more vulnerable to staining. Tea and coffee. Like wine, tea and coffee are rich in acidity and stain-promoting tannins. Soft drinks. Acidic and chromogen-rich soft drinks can also cause significant staining. Recent research has found that highly acidic drinks like sports or energy drinks can erode tooth enamel, setting the stage for staining. Cigarettes. Ingredients including ammonia, hydrogen cyanide and carbon monoxide, as well as other poisonous chemicals like nicotine and tar. Sweets. Hard candies, chewing gums, popsicles and other sweets often contain teeth staining coloring agents. If your tooth turns a funny color, there's a good chance that your teeth will be affected too. Antibiotics. Tooth staining is also caused by antibiotics such as tetracycline, which discolors the tooth enamel itself. So let me take you through the 2 solutions typically open to you and exactly why you should avoid them at all costs. Solution number 1. Professional teeth whitening procedures. The obvious solution is to visit your local dentist, but the chances are you'll have to fork out anything from $1,000 to $3,000. And most people simply can't afford that. But what you really need to know is that dentists use a range of toxic chemicals such as hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, which are both used as bleaching and disinfectant agents and cause horrific side effects. Here's just a small selection of the most common side effects I saw while working as a dental nurse. Side effect number 1. Prolonged tooth sensitivity. The most common side effect is tooth sensitivity. This can range anywhere from mild to very severe pain and has been reported to last as long as 2 weeks, even after just one exposure to a whitening agent. Side effect number 2. Shrinking receding gums. The main whitening agents used, hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, are bleaching agents which should not go anywhere near your skin or mouth. If these toxic chemicals make contact with the gums, which they often do, it can cause them to shrink or recede, resulting in part of the root being exposed along with the crown of the tooth. Side effect number 3. Bleeding and mouth blistering, burnt gums. Another common side effect of whitening chemicals is soft tissue irritation, which can be so severe that the mouth and gums start to bleed or blister. This can be very painful and take days or even weeks to heal. Side effect number 4. Stomach pain, diarrhea and vomiting. Many patients have also reported nasty cases of stomach pain, diarrhea and vomiting caused by the chemicals because they are harmful to the gastrointestinal tract. Side effect number 5. Painful throbbing. Some people report a painful throbbing in their teeth for several days after bleaching. This is often because the bleach has penetrated into exposed dentin or a crack in the enamel to irritate the pulp. Side effect number 6. There are no guarantees it will even work. Okay, it's not really a side effect, but it's a definite problem. The fact is, despite what you have probably been told, teeth whitening techniques won't work for everyone. Solution number 2. Do-it-yourself teeth whitening kit. The second option is to try one of the many thousands of DIY teeth whitening kits available online. But trust me, this option is even worse than going to a dentist. And that's because although they are cheaper and therefore a lot more affordable for most people, they are incredibly dangerous. In fact, they are probably 100 times more dangerous than a professional teeth whitening procedure carried out by a dentist. Whitening kit, you are opening yourself up to an even greater risk of the following: prolonged pain and sensitivity, mouth blistering, bleeding, burnt and damaged gums, shrunken receding gums, painful throbbing, weakened damaged tooth enamel, stomach pain and inflammation, diarrhea and vomiting, premature tooth decay, which will then require expensive dental repair work. I discovered that even you were lucky enough to get whiter teeth, the results are not even permanent, and your teeth could even regress to a shade worse than they were before. Introducing Teeth Whitening for You, your home-based all-natural teeth whitening solution. Here are just a few things you'll discover in the 5 most common commercial solutions for whiter teeth. When you know what these are, you will know why you must never use them. The 3 top secret home remedies you can use to prevent teeth discoloration. This will save you thousands because you'll never need to whiten your teeth again. My 6 tried, tested and all natural treatments that will give you brighter, whiter teeth and a natural looking smile in as little as a few weeks. Your 7-day all natural whitening schedule. Follow this plan every day for 3 months and you will be absolutely amazed by the results, and that's guaranteed. Ancient yet hugely powerful herbal remedies that will whiten your teeth in days. One common kitchen ingredient that has not only been proven to whiten teeth but will boost your health too. One weird trick proven to prevent teeth discoloration. My simple step-by-step guide to ensure you get maximum results from all 6 treatments, and much more. Here are just some of the results that Teeth Whitening for You has achieved for my patients. Read their review on our site. Teeth Whitening for You is safe, natural, cheap and proven to work. And the best thing, you don't even need to step outside your front door to benefit from it. I have more for you. If you order now, you will get 100+ bounces. Find the link in description